In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your comments on LinkedIn. If you've ever wanted to go back and find something you commented on, LinkedIn makes that possible through your profile activity section. This is useful if you want to revisit a conversation, check what you previously wrote on a post, or simply keep track of your engagement on the platform. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can find your past comments quickly and easily. Start by going to your LinkedIn homepage. Once you're there, look at the top of the page and click your profile picture, or the Me icon. This opens the menu connected to your account and gives you access to your personal profile and settings. From that menu, select View Profile. This will take you to your main LinkedIn profile page where your professional details, posts, and activity are displayed. Next, scroll down until you reach the Activity section. This area is where LinkedIn groups together the different ways you interact on the platform, including posts, reactions, and comments. If you don't immediately see everything, that's normal, because LinkedIn often shows only a preview of your recent activity at first. In the Activity section, click Show All Activity. This opens a fuller view of your activity feed and makes it easier to filter through the different types of engagement connected to your profile. Once that page loads, look near the top of the activity feed. You'll see different tabs that organize your activity into categories. From those options, select the Comments tab. As soon as you click it, LinkedIn will display your past comments, allowing you to review what you've written on other posts over time. This is the section you'll want to use anytime you need to locate a comment you left earlier. A helpful tip is to give the page a moment to load fully, especially if you've been active on LinkedIn for a while. If your comments don't appear right away, refreshing the page or scrolling a little can help. Also, because LinkedIn updates its layout from time to time, the exact wording or placement of buttons may look slightly different, but the path is generally the same. Go to your profile, open all activity, and then choose Comments. That's all it takes to view your comments on LinkedIn. Once you know where this section is, it becomes much easier to manage your activity and revisit past discussions whenever you need to.